BRS's working president KTR has been detained in the assembly as BRS called for protest against Congress government on Revant Adani issue and Telangana Tali statue. BRS working president was stopped at the assembly gate and the leaders were trying to move inside. They were wearing a t-shirt similar to how we saw in Delhi with Modi and Adani. We saw here Revant Adani Bhai Bhai. Now very interesting, remember that was by the Congress party saying Modi and Adani. It said Modi hai to Adani safe. And now this time it's against the Congress party. The BRS is leading this protest. All the leaders were shifted to Telangana Bhavan, where they will protest also after a while is what we are hearing. So that's a protest by the BRS. That's in opposition right now in Telangana, and they are charging at the Revant Reddy government, saying that it's Revant and Adani who are friends, who are like brothers, protecting each other. Revant Adani Bhai Bhai, written and printed on these t-shirts that were put forth by the BRS at the Telangana Assembly. So a sharp contrast to how the Congress did the same with Modi Adani against BJP. This is BRS doing against the Congress party. Let's listen into reaction though.
Well, the hypocrisy and double standards of Congress party need to be exposed. On the one hand, in Parliament, Rahul Gandhi wears a t-shirt saying Adani and Pradhani are one and the same. But the fact is today, Revant Reddy and Adani are best of friends. So therefore, we are exposing the Congress party's doglapan and hypocrisy, and we will continue to expose them in the House also.
The big news coming in. There are protests happening not just in Delhi but also in Telangana over the Adani controversy. Just the face has changed, the name has changed. Here the BRS is protesting with the t-shirts. Printed on them, as you can see, are the slogans and charging at Revant Reddy, the Chief Minister of the state, and also Gautam Adani. In turn, they are basically saying they have also been sheltering each other. Just to give you a perspective, Revant Reddy has been dragged here because of the recent indictment charges that have been placed against Gautam Adani. It also refers to some of the deals that have been done. And remember earlier mentions with regard to if there were deals or agreements with Revant Reddy on the same. So we'll be tracking more on that about what's been happening on the ground in Telangana.